Okay, me and my babe are at our favorite spot, Box Pack. That's where we spend lots of money on wireless chargers and RV lights. These are going in, but yeah. Oh man, I'm waiting for it to cool down. You got some new shorts.
They're a different type, but they still got that. Ooh, I like them.
Oh yeah.
Every time I get close.
She likes pink though. Okay guys, so we picked up these little RV lights because lighting is a problem here on the boat. We have these lights that when we bought the boat, and a lot of them don't work. So I'm going to give these a go around. These are basically tap to turn on, and also they dim. So you to hold them, tap and hold, and it will dim. So you can have less light if you want, or more light if you need it. Okay, so when you open the box, you get the instructions, you get the puck mount, some screws, and it doesn't come with any wire clamps to put on these so you can connect them, but I use waterproof butt connectors, which I have two in here. I use these. I'll leave a link to all this down below, but yeah. So we're in my bathroom here, and this is what the old lights look like. So turn that on, turn it off, and so after the install, you have you can touch, turn on, change color, and turn off. Now, if you have these on a switch and turn the switch off and on, they'll start at the default color. So you can actually wire a whole bunch of these on a switch, and that's what they look like. But to dim these, you just press and hold, and it gets less bright. Pretty nice. The nice thing about these little puck lights is they'll easily change the puck lights I already have in the boat. These are 3 inches. I'll leave the specs down below, but about 3 inches. And these little Falco lights only draw 2 amps of power, which my current lights, they draw 3 amps. So not a big savings there, but every amp counts. Okay, it's not completely dark, but this is what the light looks like right now. Now I do have lights on in the rest of the boat, but that's what it looks like. Okay, and so you just replace the, this is a 12 volt light. Red is positive, black is negative, and you just replace it with the new one. And like that, it's installed. So let's back up and see if we can see the difference. So it looks the same on camera, maybe, but it's a lot different. And let's turn on the rest of the lights. And here is the rest of the lights in the bathroom. And we only had one light that worked. It was that one. So this is a big change. And then check out this kitchen. These lights, oh, they're bright. If I'm recording, I'd have to, oh, I'm still seeing light rays in the camera. That is way too, it's probably too bright. Let me see, how could I get the light rays out?
Well, normally we don't do recipes at night.
Yeah, because these things are dropping light rays straight down. Yeah, my babe is Murphy oil and all the furniture. Yeah, I'm just chillaxing, watching her work. Yeah, it looks and smells a lot better.
Yeah, I need to keep up with this. It gets started so quickly. Like, you don't do anything for like a week and then it's back.
She's in her work shirt right now. Okay, this is how dirty our walls were. This is just from the kitchen. And so my wife's been cleaning up. And yeah, a lot of wood on this boat though.
Murphy's oil soap is pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Cleaning it and keeping it conditioned. So.
Yeah. Don't look at that messy table over there. I've been doing projects. Okay guys, we're gonna go try out Ruth's grocery store. We haven't been there yet. We've been here for how many months now?
Months.
3 months. I haven't been to Ruth's grocery store. So we're gonna see.
I don't know, I guess we just never went down that street. Apparently our friends were saying, yeah, it's just like right around the corner from Astrid's, and we were like, huh, alright.
In the big town of Luperon. So we're going to show you what's in there, and you know, you need different menu item tonight after installing all them lights and stuff in the boat, which those look good. Yeah.
Menu item?
Yeah, you're picking up corn. You're going to do.
I'm making it's called a boat dip.
Boat dip.
And then I was going to do like a sticky chicken over rice or whatever.
Ooh, yummy.
It's kind of like a pineapple chicken thingy. Just trying out new things.
Delish. So I can't wait to have that, and maybe I'll film a little bit of what dinner looks like. Okay, we're just passing Astrid's, and it's somewhere down this road. Okay, my wife is saying that's probably at 2 stories. Water bottles. Yeah.
Hopefully it's not just cash though.
Okay guys, we went the wrong way. It's up past the gas station.
Luckily we had a friend stop and be like, where are you guys headed? We're like, oh, Bruce. And he's like, oh, let me look it up on my phone. And we're like, oh, it's back that way somewhere.
So, yeah, you don't turn right at Astrid's. You keep going straight. Okay, so we're just passing the gas station. They say it's right past here. So, yeah, I've looked it up online a few times. I didn't know that's what my babe was talking about. But, yeah, so we're almost there. And we think that is it. So next to the Central Beard, whatever. And, yeah, it's this way. But it looks like it's all closed up. Yeah.
Yeah, they're open till 11.
Yeah. Well, that's not it. And it's quite warm out here.
That's the reason why we haven't gotten this
Oh, there's all the water bottles, babe.
Oh, okay, that's it.
So, right there. Okay, we're here. Oh, good. Okay. They don't have the big bottle. That's at the other roost. They do have AC in here. Oh, there it is right there. And there's all the liquor selection right here.
Sweet corn with it, or just
Regular corn. But look, the shelves look stacked perfectly in here. And the aisles are wider in this one. But here's the meat selection. The veggies kind of sparing. And then come down here and you have all this jazz. So we got all our food here, and that's it. Some Modelo's to go. But my babe, I don't know, she's somewhere in here. There she is. Okay, we're back from the grocery store, and my wife is making that boat dip.
my version.
My wife's version, of course.
Yes. Not gonna have bacon. A little hard to come by on that one. And it's gonna have. It's actually gonna be a recipe here soon. So me and my husband are trying it out.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, look at those lights. Oh yeah. You got illumination, baby. Okay, my babe finished up her dip. Oh yeah.
I'm not saying what everything's in there. This is a recipe coming out soon. But it's good.
It's
We
good.
have already tested it.
Oh yeah, we have already
So.
tested it.
Now I'm going to put it in the fridge to marinate the flavors for a little bit before we can dig into it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, my babe is trying out her dip now.
I don't eat on camera.
I know. How's it taste though?
Good.
It's coming to a recipe
So
blog near
we're
you.
using, this is a staple here in the DR. It's made out of yucca. I'm assuming it's a root of some sort. And they make it into like this kind of stuff. And you kind of break it up. You can put, they say you can serve it with, you can toast it, you can put cheese on it.
Make
you can
pizza out of it.
Wow, it'd be really hard to make pizza when it's like broken like that. And you dip it, you could put peanut butter on it. I mean, it's like an all four thing, whatever. So.
We're using it as a dip.
Yep.
Okay guys, we haven't showed y'all us being at Astrid's, but here we are. And
What's that?
oh, we haven't really videoed here. But
I know we did the other day.
we did? No, we didn't. I did a short.
I like it.
But yeah, so chilling at Astrid's, we're gonna play this game where you just sync 1 through 15.
Are you playing a game or are we going to the chili thing?
They told me I'm playing the game, but we're going to chili thing too.
No, I'm just wondering what you're doing because I'm about to order another drink
Yeah.
here, babe.
Yeah, get a drink. And there's Corey and obviously Lisa, but oh, there's Lisa. This right here is true love. His wife set him up. He has to hit the 2. Oh, he touched it. He touched it. Okay, late night in Luperon. This is what it sounds like out here.
Bounce around.
I know.
Shut up, babe.